So I'm back at it with this new makeup look. I don't know where I was going at with this look. I'll be talking through this video. Let me know if you guys like me to talk. Please comment, like. So starting off with my lid, I will be using the Rumor one from P. Louise. And then I will be placing that on my lid and blending that. So should I zoom you guys in or should I just put upwards? Maybe I could just do this, you know? So I'll be blending the whole base on my eyelid. Okay, so anyways, so then after I do that, I will be grabbing that brown color, which is this one. This one right here. So I'll be placing this color just I'll be placing this brown color. It's like a warmer brown, and I'll just be placing this just on top of my eyelid. Not on the where you're not this. You can leave this blank because obviously we're gonna cover it with some other color, but it doesn't really matter if we're going. But the point is to pack in the color, darker brown, in the same palette, and I'm just going to kind of like this. Then I'll grab this pink color, which is this one right here. So I started with this one, and then I finished it off with this one right here. And now I'm going to be using this pink color. Place it right close to that, that close color. Okay, so then from here, you're going to just kind of pack in the color. And it doesn't matter if it goes on top of that brown color. Just do that. It might look crazy right now, but trust the process. Because once this is all put where you initially want to put it at, it's not going to move. Okay, so then I'll grab this fluffier brush, and this is tone. It's not going to be precisely harsh like this. So the thing that you want to do is you're going to start blending this, and then just kind of fluff it outwards. And then also thing too, you want to look back and try to at least make the colors look same. Just blend, blend, blend. And then just blend it outwards. You could use a little bit of that orange color. Bitch Lab Cosmetics, and I'll be using this gold, super pretty gold, and I'll be using also mixing that with liquid sugar. And this liquid sugar, you put maybe like one little small dab in a little petri dish or anything that you guys have that's flat, preferably plastic. You put a couple dots on that, you get a little bit of that color. So with that color, I'll be using this really tiny little brush, and this is the brush that my eyeliner comes with, and I precisely love this because it's the color that goes, I mean the brush that goes very subtle with the eyeliner. Now when it comes to this part, I usually don't want to talk because it's super close to my eye. You know, it's a tedious process where you kind of have to know where you're going to put it because you don't want to mess up, and once you mess up, sucks for you. No, I'm kidding. But I will be putting eyeliner. Eyeliner, you guys already know what do I use. The Tartiste. So then after I do that, I will be taking my eyeliner and creating this wing eyeliner with this hand. Sometimes it really depends on the way I feel, the mood, where I'm going, what am I putting, you know, because an eyeliner could tell a lot by the way that you put it on. Especially too when I put eyeliner, I feel like the look put together. I hate it and I love it at the same time, because I love it because the way that makes my eye look, but I hate it because it takes longer. I think this takes longer. I think this takes longer than doing my eyebrows, my makeup, in general, everything. Because you have to be precise. You have to know where you're putting your eyeliner. I can't stand a shimmer eyelid. I mean a shimmer eyeliner. I hate it so much. See how their eyeliner sticks going to do my under eyes. This way. This one. I hate putting eyeliner on the camera. Tilt my head a little bit, put this there in the middle to fix my headphones. Since I'm listening to some music. And then you do the inner corner. And that's it. The one right here underneath my eyelid. I hate the fallout, the little... How do you guys like the interaction of me actually talking and saying about stuff, about life, about makeup, showing you guys how to do it? Putting a little bit of mascara underneath my eyelashes. because I just put the yellow eyeshadow on the bottom of them. Will be these I guess they're rhinestones. Rhinestones. They're these, and these I bought these at Amazon. So I'll put a little one on the inner corner of my eye. And I also ordered these eyeliners. It says long lasting, you will see, but these are from Amazon. It came a pack of 12, I think, and different colors. They tend to dry a little bit, so they'll be a little bit crusty. So let's see. So I won't be talking in throughout this because I need to focus. So we'll be putting eyeliner on top like a rainbow, and then we'll connect it on the bottom of it, and then connect the top like how I did with this one. And you're gonna let that just kind of dry it out, and we're done with this makeup look. What do you think? Good? Bad?